So in my mediation practice, the parties don't necessarily need to go to a certified divorce financial analyst if they feel like they have a good handle on what their finances are. But if they feel that they're a little confused, they want to see what it's going to look like separated and down the line and what the possible scenarios are, then the parties, I certainly recommend to them either individually or together to contact somebody like you to help them be more informed and have more of a vision. In collaborative law, generally, besides a mediator isn't necessarily involved. It's more of a team leader who could be someone that's a mediator or a mental health professional. They help the parties create their parenting agreement. They also are part of the team meeting to keep things calm and help people negotiate. The parties also have lawyers, lawyers are not part of the mediation process. You can consult with the lawyer outside of the mediation process to get information about what the law says, but they are not part of the mediation process. In collaborative law, each party has an attorney that agrees to collaboratively work with the other side to help the parties come up with a settlement agreement that's best for the family. And if these negotiations break down, the collaborative lawyer agrees not to be part of any litigation going forward. And what happens is the parties that meet individually with the certified divorce financial analyst, they meet individually with the team leader to talk about their parenting, they meet individually to talk to their attorneys, and then they will have group meetings to talk about the issues that need to be resolved and bring all the information that has been gathered to these team meetings so that eventually the parties will come to a comprehensive settlement. So collaborative law is a lot more involved, and it's also for parties who might not be in the best mindset to just be able to be in the same room together and work things out themselves. But I do both so that it accommodates whatever a family needs.
I love your approach, Lenore, like that you start with the family, with the kids, and let the rest trail, because the kids are, you're right, the kids are doing the work. And I think that's a great way to approach it.
Yeah, it's just, in my practice, my dad was an attorney. I mean, I've seen grandchildren of clients my father had come in front of me as a conciliator. So it really is generational. And my vocation in all of this is to help be that little seed that's planted for that generational healing. That's key. I mean, because people that come from dysfunctional families, no matter how well off they are or how educated they are people who can do a lot of damage to society. And we see it a lot.
Yeah, we do. Well, we do. Absolutely.
In so many realms, know, from the boss at the McDonald's to the CEO of a big company to someone that's in government. They're all working out their individual traumas on the heads of people. And I just think that, if we had a more healed world, it would be a better place.